How to change contact color on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open contacts on your iPhone and further navigate to the phone contact that you want to change the color of. Once you have navigated to the contact, tap on it and then tap on the edit option on the top right of your screen. Now, below the contact poster, tap on the edit button again, and now in this particular interface, you can go ahead and change the contact color. So simply scroll through and then go ahead and choose the contact color that suits your preference the best, and then tap on the choose option on the top right of your screen. Further, go ahead and make any customization if required, and finally tap on the done button on the top right of your screen, and you will then be required to choose a poster for the contact. So choose a poster for the contact based on your preference and then tap on done option on the top right of your screen, and with this, as you can see, the contact color has been changed. So, this was about how you can change contact color on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.